welcome back to Mom and Sons, and today we are making the pancakes. Guys, I know that I said that you won't switch to these normal pancakes, but some guys like it this way. So today we are gonna show how to do it the normal way, and not any old pancakes, chocolate pancakes. So let's get started. For this we need 1 plus 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup maida, half tablespoon baking powder, half TSP baking soda, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon butter. This is warm milk, and let's add the butter to it now.
This one is salted butter. If you are using unsalted one, add a pinch of salt.
Now we are done mixing it, and now let's add powdered sugar. There it goes, and give it a stir. Now let's sieve all the dry ingredients
Together.
all at once, not separately. Now mix it well. Guys, now our pan is hot, and now we can start making our pancakes, and do not apply any butter or oil. They already look so yummy. Can't wait to taste them when they are ready. Delicioso. Now bubbles are on the surface, so let's flip the pancake. Wow, this is looking like one of our old recipes, Dora cakes. So if you haven't checked it out yet, please go and check it out. We have to cook this on both sides for about 1 minute. Okay, now our first pancake is all ready. Wow! In the same way, make all the other pancakes. Kara the time lapse. You have to cook all of these on medium flame. Here is the third one. I can't wait to eat these. It looks just so yummy. Guys, if you want to see our latest recipes, then please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss an update. And if you don't subscribe, then you won't know what we are making next. We are going to make things more chocolatier, yummier, and tastier. So please go and subscribe right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.